Hello, this is our first lesson of chapter 2. Great job. So we're in chapter 2.1.1. So our focus today is on expressions. And when we look at expressions, we really want to have the conversation of um, this mathematic vocabulary. So if you look at a variable, in class today, we really highlighted this. Hold on a second. We're really just talking about the specific vocabulary that goes with each one of these. So, through the lesson today, we are talking about a variable. And a variable in this moment is the x, right? The x is a variable. All right, the x is a variable. We could have an at sign be a variable, a smiley face be a variable. We just have a ton. And an expression. An expression is really where we have 3x plus 2y minus 5. Each one of these is an expression. It could just be 3x. That would be one term. In this moment, we have three terms here. And that's going to lead us into our next thing is we're going to write out this entire 3x plus 2y minus 5, and then watch. These two things are variables. We know that. These two things, excuse me, this one and this one, these are called coefficients. And this last one is called the constant or a constant. We need to know this vocabulary to know what they want us to touch when we're doing these problems, okay? So, coefficient, and when we see this, the 3x and the 2y, when they're right next to the x, this means an understood multiplying. All right, so this is the first part of the lesson. The second part of the lesson really is dealing with our use of these manipulatives. In terms of writing and understanding expressions. And so, actually, if we go into our book here, and we're gonna go into eTools, tiles. Perfect. So when using our algebra tiles, we first need to define them. So this particular one is the x squared. Okay. So let's just say that we have two x squareds, we have a y squared, a y, and an x, and then down here we have this cool number 1. Well, we want to rewrite that in an expression. So the way we are going to write that is 2x squared plus y squared plus x plus y plus 1. Bing, 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 yay. Can we simplify this anymore? Can we simplify anymore? No, we have to leave it because we can't, there's no more like terms. How many terms we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like terms. And remember, these have an exponent to it. That's why we can't add them to the x's over here. All right, let's switch this up. We are going to add another one of these and then another one of these. Ooh, we can add two more of these and we'll make one a negative and do a positive here. And then we'll drag this down and make three more of these. Okay, so let's write this out. All right, so let's go to another page. We're going to write this out. What have I got? I've got 3x squared plus, 2y squared minus y squared plus 2x's plus 2y's plus 4. Now, can we combine like terms? Well, yes, we have this one right here. That's a negative, and we want to get rid of that. So actually, watch. We can just, with this, we can just move it. And that's what we have left. So now we have 3x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 2y plus 4. Awesome. So when we actually go to one of the CPM problems that they've given us, they have us doing on 2-4. They want us to do a 3x plus 5 plus x squared plus y plus 3x squared plus 2. Now, let's look and see if we have any like terms. So, some like terms. So I'm going to underline the like terms in green. This is a like term and this is a like term. And then I'm actually going to connect this 5 and this 2. They're like terms together. So now I'm going to rewrite. These two have to go in front anyway. So I've got x squared, which is a 1, and a 3x squared. So we've got 4x squared. Okay, and then we've got plus 3x plus y, and then plus 7. And that is our answer because we can't write anything else. Like we can't make it any smaller. All right, let's do one more. Let's do C. Now we have 2 plus x squared plus 3x plus y squared plus 4x. 4y plus xy. Now, let's combine like terms. What are our like terms? So we've got a y here, a y squared here. We have a y, but they don't go together. We have an x squared. We have a 2. Honestly, there's nothing that goes together. So we're just going to rewrite it. X squared plus y squared plus 3x plus 4y plus xy plus 2. And that's it. That's all we can do. Good job, everybody. So that's our lesson for today. I hope we will have more fun with expressions tomorrow.